Hello, my friends. Today I will be giving a makeover to this old discolored clay chime. So, first of all, I have to clean it up with a dry tissue paper. Before painting it, I need to clean it up. I'm using acrylic color. Here I'm using a pearl pink acrylic color. The belt should be colored thoroughly upside down too. Next I will be using this yellow acrylic color. I have tried to color the bells with primary colors like yellow, blue. This pink was not looking so bright, so later you will see that I have changed it into red. See, blue, yellow, red. Again I have repeated blue, yellow, red. Now there are small parrots and I will color it with green color, light green color. This is also acrylic, light green color. Yeah, I have colored the parrot's green. I've tried to use the Rajasthani theme here, the Rajasthani art color, where the primary colors are used. Now I have taken white and mixed it with violet color. So this mauve color, this will balance the primary colors which I have used on the bells. So now this is the color which has come out. Next I am giving it a touch up with golden acrylic color. I've done it with fingers only, and now dotted patterns are given to this. I've tried to keep it simple with dots, white dots. This is how it has come out. Now this is the final look. I've repeated the patterns on other bells also. Now it is looking quite bright. This is the final look. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it, and please check out my other videos too.